Is your home's comfort being compromised by an underperforming cooling system? Welcome to PartsHnC. Central air conditioners are engineered for energy-efficient, reliable cooling, yet maintaining peak performance requires proactive troubleshooting and consistent care. To ensure long-term reliability, you must identify early warning signs such as warm air discharge, frequent circuit breaker trips, or ice formation on the coils. These symptoms often point to underlying electrical overloads or refrigerant imbalances. Effective troubleshooting begins with the right diagnostic tools, including manometers, infrared surface temperature guns, and clamp-style AC current meters. Most system failures fall into three critical categories: cooling, airflow, and power. For cooling issues, you should inspect for failing capacitors or thermostat malfunctions. Airflow disruptions are often the result of clogged filters or obstructed registers, while power issues typically stem from tripped breakers or control board faults. For a deeper dive into these solutions, be sure to look into our blog for more information. You can find the link in the description. While homeowners can manage basic filter replacements and coil cleaning, complex repairs involving refrigerant lines or internal electrical components should always be handled by a licensed professional to prevent further damage. The key to extending your system's lifespan lies in a rigorous preventive maintenance schedule. This includes annual professional servicing every spring, flushing condensate drain lines to prevent clogs, and maintaining at least 2 feet of clearance around the outdoor unit. By monitoring subtle performance shifts, like increased vibration or delayed cooling, you can address minor inefficiencies before they evolve into catastrophic failures. For high-quality replacement parts and detailed technical guides, visit our website at PartsHnC.com and follow our social media channels for more industry insights. Thanks for watching.